Yesterday, I was talking with Claude kasi it's all about the the dress. Because in the earlier years or months, nagsusuot lang ako ng madumi yung sandals ko always. And I wear black slacks, black shirt. And then my hair is frizzy, something like that. And then I wear a bag always kasi nandun lahat yung documents ko, the wallet and everything. And then whenever I go sa public market, specifically sa mall or sa pharmacy store, lagi akong sinusundan or something. And then I realized na parang it looks like parang kabatan vibes. And then I changed the hairdo. Naglagay ako ng no oil with my hair to make it shiny. And then I just shave and I wear something fake watch na glossy. And then I really wash my shoes. And I stopped wearing bag. And then after that, as the days go by, kada lumalabas ako, like formal or something, formal or non-formal, then nag-overdress ako or just properly dressing and grooming. So people really recognize you. Yung perception is different talaga. It's kind of unfair because in this world, kapag nagdamit ka ng maayos, regardless kung magkano yung laman ng wallet mo or what is your educational attainment, people will perceive na you are something, na may sinabi to, something like that. Pero kapag nagsuot ka ng something like medyo dumihin yung sandals or hindi maganda yung pagkakaayos ng hair mo, like parang tingin na sa'yo it's basura ka lang. Ganun yan eh. This world is so, I mean, the public is so cruel, and honestly. Ganun din in certain spaces kapag hindi ka nakapagtapos or wala kang college degree or master's degree. Yung iba pa nga, mas grabe pa kung saan kang school, mas may prestige na respect sa kapag maganda yung pinanggalingan ng university, kahit college graduate ang natapos mo. Marami talagang inconsistencies in this system. Ang dami kong mga questions, but let's just talk about appearances and yung hierarchy sa system na ito. And it's just very heartbreaking. I've been talking kay Claude recently because mas maganda yung responses niya. Although may mga lapses din talaga siya. I tried to correct him. Pero mas maganda yung kanyang response kaysa kay ChatGPT. Pero may times din na kay ChatGPT is that masyadong bookish. Same with Gemini. But kay Claude is more of like very direct to the point. And medyo maganda yung binibigay niya para kang may mentor or something. But moving on, hindi ako nag-promote kay Claude. But in this system, talagang grabe yung hierarchy. Actually, this is 2026. Parang na-realize ko na college degree is parang di na siya enough. Especially kapag hindi skilled yung degree mo. Or skill-based. Like, kapag hindi ka engineer, hindi ka teacher, hindi ka nurse, doktor, like kapag yung course mo is like hindi yung mga major talaga na courses, like yung mga medical, engineer, like mga exotic na mga courses, talagang mahirap. Yung may mga licenses. Kapag hindi ganun yung course mo, minsan hindi ka inaano ng tao ba. Kumbaga, very small lang yung circle mo. You will still be respected, but in your own circle only. Which is normal naman. So, I think in this presentation, I would just like to say na we should really wear properly and groom ourselves properly, because I think nakikinig talaga yung tao sa'yo, or they would really treat you as human kapag nakita nilang minamahal mo yung sarili mo. I believe na it is common sense, but at the same time, if somebody else is watching this video is hindi alam yun, then here it is. This is the reality. It's just heartbreaking.